Hello everyone. So in today's video we will look the problem number 9 in the EMF subject. Find the total charge inside a volume having volume charge density as 10 z square e to the power minus 0.1 x sine pi y coulombs per cubic meter. The volume is defined between x range is given minus 2 to 2, y is given 0 to 1 and z is given 3 to 4. Okay, so before solving this problem, first we'll look this question carefully. तो फाइंड द टोटल चार्ज इनसाइड ए वॉल्यूम, हमें क्या निकालना है? हमें निकालना है टोटल चार्ज इनसाइड ए वॉल्यूम हैविंग वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी एस. तो यदि हम देखें यहाँ पर तो इस प्रॉब्लम में वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी की वैल्यू दी हुई है, तो हम ये बोल सकते हैं द वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी वी हैव सीन इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो, द सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज रो वी. So rho v is given in this question, which is 10 z square e to the power minus 0.1 x sin pi y coulombs per cubic meter. तो ये रो वी जो है ये वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी है जो क्वेश्चन में डिफाइंड है. द वॉल्यूम इज डिफाइंड बिटवीन, तो यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे तो x, y और z, मतलब ये जो एक क्यूबिकल स्ट्रक्चर है ये एक कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम में प्लेस्ड है जिसके रेंजेस डिफाइंड है. एक्स, वाई और जेड के जो रेंजेस हैं वो यहाँ पर डिफाइंड है और हमारे पास यहाँ पर वॉल्यूम चार्ज डेंसिटी है न्यूमेरिकल में, और बोल रहा है फाइंड द टोटल चार्ज. तो यदि हमको मालूम है टोटल चार्ज वी कैन फाइंड इन द वॉल्यूम बाय Q इक्वल टू द वॉल्यूम इंटीग्रेशन rho v into dv. We have seen this in the previous video. So Q equal to integration volume integration rho v into dv. So by using this expression we can find the answer. Okay, so now we'll put these values here. So we can say the Q will be equal to the volume integration here. तो अब देखिए यहाँ पर यदि हम बात करें तो जो वॉल्यूम होगा यहाँ पर ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन आएगा. एक्स, वाई और जेड डिफाइंड है, सो वी कैन से देयर विल बी द ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन. ओके, एंड ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन, सो वी कैन डिफाइंड द एक्स रेंज कहाँ से कहाँ मेंशन किया है. एक्स माइनस मेंशन किया है -2 से 2, वाई इज मेंशन फ्रॉम 0 to 1 एंड जेड इज मेंशन फ्रॉम 3 to 4. सो दिस आर द integration ranges for the x, y and z. This is given in the question. Now we'll put the value of volume charge density, which is given as the 10 z square e to the power minus 0.1 x sin pi y. अब ये जो dv लिखा है यहाँ पर, जैसा कि मैंने प्रीवियस वीडियो में आपको बताया हुआ है, now we'll take the differential volume. So differential volume we can say in the Cartesian coordinate system will be given as what? Dx, dy and dz. So we'll put value here the dx, dy and the dz. Okay, so now we'll separate these things and we'll do the integration. Okay, so this 10 is the constant, so we can take 10 is out. Okay, so now we'll take this is the z ranges varies from 3 to 4. Z term is what? This is the z square. Okay, so this will the dz. The y is ranges from 0 to 1. The y term is what? Sine of pi y dy, and the x ranges from -2 to 2 and whose terms are e to the power minus 0.1 x dx. So now if we'll integrate this one, so this 10 will be constant, so we can say this is given as what? zq by 3 to 4, and this one sine pi y integration will give the minus of cos pi y. So this is given the minus of cos pi y divided by pi. Okay, and the ranges is given from 0 to 1. Okay, and next we can say the integration of to the power minus 0.1x will give to the power minus 0.1x divided by minus 0.1, and the limit will take minus to 2. Okay, so now further we'll solve this one. So we'll get 10 upon, so this is given as the 4 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3 divided by 3, we can say in this way, right? And also we can say here the minus cos of pi, so we'll put value 1 in the y, so this become the 1 divided by, or we can take, this is next term will come, so this is given the minus, so minus cos of pi into 0, or we can say the cos of 0 will be there. Okay, so this will be the pi, and further we'll solve this one. So we can say this is given the minus 0.2, we have put in the value of x, so this minus 0.2 divided by minus 0.1. okay, and further we'll solve this one. So we'll say this is the minus to the power, we'll put the x value is minus 2, so this become the plus 0.2 divided by minus 0.1. okay, so now further we'll solve this one, the whole expression here. So this is given as the 10, this become the 4 to the power 3 minus 3 to the power 3 divided by 3. okay, so this term will become the 1 upon, because cos pi here is give the minus 1, so minus 1 and minus become plus 1, so cos is become the 1 by pi, and this become the cos 0, and cos 0 will give the 1, and this minus minus become plus, so we can say this become the 1 upon pi is here. okay, and when you will solve this one, this whole term, so you will get the 4.0267. okay, and the last, if we solve whole completely, then we'll get, this is the 316.16 coulomb. So this is the value of charge. So we can say the value of charge in this volume will be how much? 316.16 coulomb. okay, so this is I have taken a basic problem to, so you can understand the volume charge terms, volume charge density terms, and how can we find a charge in a particular volume structure. Thank you.